Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing both headset and phone so the rest goes smoothly. Begin with a charged phone and turn off auto lock and notifications so the app runs uninterrupted. Clean headset lenses with a microfiber cloth and remove any protective film. This prevents blur and glare. Insert any included foam inserts to secure smaller phones and attach the strap or controller now so you don't fumble later. Once done, launch the VR app and follow its calibration prompts to now you'll insert and align the phone for a clear image. Open the front compartment, seat the phone against the stop, and secure clips so it won't shift. Make sure the camera aligns with any pass-through port if present. Adjust the lens spacing and IPD so the image centers and reduces double vision. You'll feel more comfortable and the brain fuses images faster. Make small strap and foam adjustments to stop light leaks around the nose, because even thin light streaks break immersion. Finish by calibrating controls and confirming comfort and tracking. Run the app's built-in calibration to pair controllers, set audio levels, and align tracking. This ensures inputs match what you see. Try a short demo scene, then make small comfort tweaks, and note that you should take regular 10 to 15-minute breaks to avoid eye strain. If tracking drifts or the view jitters, recenter an app, update headset firmware and app, or restart the phone. Those steps usually clear sensor or software hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.